Hello NinjaTrader users, let me show you what you can do with markers. Let's say that you have an indicator like this that has signals that you want to trade, and what happens? Maybe you are waiting for a long time for this signal and you can see each bar is 5 minutes. So maybe at the correct time you miss the entry. Let's see an example. Let's go back to maybe 10:50. And let's try to trade this signal. And I am going to run this faster just to increase the problem. Let's say we wait for the triangle to enter short and then we click on sell market. Okay. There's a signal. Filled. We enter.
Stop filled.
But the fastest I try, the entry is maybe 1 or 2 or 3 bars later. Even if I enter 1 bar later, that may be too much. Now, what happens with markers? With markers, we only need to add 3 indicators. One is markers, the execution part. The other 2 indicators are copy, because we need to copy the long signals and copy the short signals. And then markers is going to execute that long and short signals of this indicator. That can be any indicator. Now, as we can see here on markers, we can enable the shorts. I want to use this ATM. Okay, so let's place this here, this ATM on playback, and then let's go back to 10:50. And now, just to show one of the many options, let's say I don't want to trade all the signals. I only want to trade the following signal, the following short. So I don't want to use automatic, I want to use semi-automatic. That means the following signal will trigger an entry and this will reset. Let's see what happens.
Order filled. Target filled.
So as we can see, the button is off. The entry is perfect at where the signal is placed. The idea is you can be distracted. Maybe just at this bar you may need to go out from your room, and with markers you can automate. Even if you are trading in semi-automatic mode, you can get your entry. Take a look at the description of this video for more information. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.